Hello friends, my name is Sandeep and here's a great news from VueNow Group. In a remarkable milestone, VueNow Group is gearing up to celebrate its 5th Raising Day on December 24th. On this occasion, VueNow is not just reveling the success, but also embracing the spirit of giving back to society. In a thoughtful gesture, the company is organizing a blood donation camp as part of the celebrations. VueNow recognizes the importance of community engagement and social responsibility, firmly believing that success must be accompanied by a commitment to impact the world. The blood donation camp, scheduled on the Raising Day itself, shows VueNow's dedication to the well-being of the community it serves. As VueNow strides into another year of innovation and growth, it does so with gratitude for its journey and a profound sense of responsibility towards the society. Join VueNow on December 24th as it celebrates not just a milestone, but also the spirit of humanity through its blood donation camp.